Charge the glasses before first use. Rokid AI Glasses Style uses magnetic charging and includes a standard USB-C cable. Connect the USB-C cable to a power source and attach the magnetic connector to the glasses to begin charging. A flashing green light indicates charging. A steady green light indicates the battery is fully charged. Open the temples, then press and hold the function power button for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes to power on. Removing the glasses puts them into standby mode. To power off, fold the temples and press and hold the function power button for 3 seconds. Download Hi Rokid app on your phone. Open the app and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Put on the glasses. Follow the prompts in the app to pair with Rokid AI Glasses Style, and you're ready to go. Rokid AI Glasses Style is equipped with one physical function button and one touchpad. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power on, off. Single click to take a photo. Press and hold to start, stop video recording. Double click to start audio recording. Single click to stop audio recording. You can customize these functions in the Hi Rokid app. During a call or when playing media, single click to answer an incoming call or mute. Single click. Also toggles play. Pause for media. Double click to end a call or skip to the next track. Triple click to go to the previous track. Sliding your finger across the touchpad adjusts volume.